This is one of the easiest modifications that anyone can do to their air compressor, and you will be so glad you did. So this is my new to me US General air compressor. It's a Harbor Freight model. It's 15 years old. It was produced back in '04. And my dad just got a brand new Quincy air compressor, so therefore I inherited this one. And I just drained the water out of it, and here's what I got. This is the water that was in it. This nice, gross, frothy sludge. And we all know why it gets that way, because they have those dumb little petcocks that you can't possibly for the life of you get unthreaded. Now for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, it's this thing right here. It's this stupid little T-valve on the bottom, and you grab it and you twist it out, and the water comes right down through the center of it. And it's so annoying because you got to get down on the ground, you got to lay down here, and you can never remember, do I twist it up, do I twist it down? It's always pretty much seized into place, and it's a huge hassle. So what I've done here is dug through my assortment of fittings, and I came up with this. It's an elbow with a close nipple, a 2-inch nipple, and then a valve. This will thread right up into the bottom tank, and all I have to do is reach down there, swing this baby open, and it's all going to come spraying right out. No more getting down there and trying to twist it, and it won't go, and I got to think about which way I'm turning it. Couldn't be any easier. Ideally, I like to have about a 3 or a 4-inch nipple here in the middle. But this 2 inches is what I had on hand, and since this was kind of a spur of the moment thing, I'm just going to go with it. It's still going to be easier. I just got to reach under the tank and grab it. I like it when it protrudes a little bit because, let's face it, if you're lazy like me, if it sits here like this, just stick it out in the open, you're much more likely to drain it than if it's tucked underneath. I don't know why that is, but that just seems to be the way things go around here. If you guys have never messed with pipe thread fittings before, all you need is some tape. And when you wrap the tape around the threads, make sure you wrap it clockwise, the direction that you're going to be screwing your other piece on, or as you screw it together, it's going to unthread. That's seriously all there is to it. Some tape, put the joints together, and then we're going to thread this right up into the bottom of the tank. Now if you do have a 4-inch nipple in here, this is probably going to be too long to completely assemble and then thread in the tank. This would probably hit the legs as you're swinging it around. But since mine's so short, I can easily just completely assemble like I've already done here. But I'm going to get down underneath and just run it up in there. Well, there you go. It's installed. Now all I've got to do is get down on one knee, pop this valve open quick, and that's it. No more trying to unscrew that stupid old valve and just have the stuff dribble out. Just one quick blast and you're done. For me, this was a completely free upgrade. This is all stuff I had on hand. If you had to go and buy this, it's definitely under $10 of parts. Even if you do have to run to the hardware store and spend a couple bucks, definitely worth your time and money. Because if you're anything like me, you'll actually get down here and do this. Whereas the other style valve, you'll think, I'll do that some other time. And then you're going to end up with this in your tank. If you guys like this, please comment, rate, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you then. Thanks.